issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, Coweta County in west-central Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near East Newnan, or near Newnan, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newnan, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Palmetto, Sonoy, Grantsville, Moreland, Sharpsburg, Turin, Harrelson, East Newnan, Stars Mill, Arnco Sargent, Conongate, Thomas Crossroads, and Madras. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north-central, northwestern, and west-central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4634
Georgia, Coweta County in west-central Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near East Newnan, or near Newnan, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newnan, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Palmetto, Sonoy, Grantsville, Moreland, Sharpsburg, Turin, Harrelson, East Newnan, Stars Mill, Arnco Sargent, Conongate, Thomas Crossroads, and Madras. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north-central, northwestern, and west-central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.